Okpeyemi Oguntade, an analyst with the Economic Research Unit of Financial Derivatives Company, joins me now to take a look at these numbers. A good morning to you, Okpeyemi, and it's great to have you back from your holiday. Well, let's talk about these numbers. Oil prices are down about 5.19% week on week, with Brent crude trading around $58 per barrel as at early trade today. Talk us through these numbers.
Well, for Brent crude, at $58, Brent crude hasn't been that low since April, so that's like a 2-month low. And the reason why is because of the referendum at Greece rejecting the credit bailout terms from the Eurozone. The Chinese stock market has been, the Shanghai Composite Index has been declining since mid-June. This was mainly driven by the foreign manipulations and, investors speculating that after a bull comes a bear, and, they start selling off their stocks in the market. Traders are also anticipating that Iran is going to, round up on the deals with Western powers this week. So, which means that they're coming in with their crude into the market, and this prompted traders to start selling off on their oil contracts. For the agri commodities, for grain specifically, prices have been going up because of adverse weather conditions in the Midwest region of the U.S. And for soft commodities, cocoa prices are declining because traders anticipate that there will be a decline in the demand for cocoa, given that the two major regions that consume this product, which is Europe and China, are experiencing some slowdown in terms of economic, situations. And for sugar, prices are actually going up because there's been an increase in demand due to the heat wave in Europe, and so that's causing sugar prices to go up. There's been an increase in demand for confectionery products, so that most likely ice cream, because it's really hot in Europe right now.
Well, it's not hot here in Nigeria, but I know I do like my regular ice cream, from time to time. But how much of this downtrend are we going to see for the rest of the week, especially for the soft commodities, as the agri commodities, talking about cocoa and sugar?
Well, for cocoa, I expect the prices to trade back up. There's still a shortfall from major exporters, which is Ghana and Ivory Coast. So I expect this marginal decline to just be for the short term, and I expect prices to go back up. For sugar, I expect prices to keep on increasing, although the year-to-date is still a decline of about 12%. So, but within this period, the summer season, I expect prices to go back up.
What about for wheat?
For wheat, I expect prices to continue trading upwards because the El Nino weather condition, it still poses as a threat to the production of wheat, specifically in the US and other regions that produce wheat, like Australia. So I expect wheat prices to continue going up in the near term unless there's a reverse in weather conditions.
Okpeyemi, thank you so much for joining me on the program this morning and fleshing up those numbers for us.